I'm Magnolia, and we're at the mall, and we're going to be checking out this toy store because Toys R Us is gone because they shut down, and we're going to be checking out the best toy store now. Has a face. Can't open it.
You have this bubble tea this size.
Yeah, I do. I have this at home. It's the same color, but it's this size.
Oh, then you should get it. Is this?
And then there's this giant
Living.
This is Spider-Man. I'm sorry.
Minnie Mouse.
That's Black Widow. A different color. That's Star-Lord. I don't know who that is. That's Green Goblin. There's ooh, I love this show.
Oh my god. Oh. I love. Look. These are Funko Pops, but
So this is the mayor of the town. This is Sally, and then that's Zero, a different kind. That's like another Zero.
I love that squishmallow.
What were you looking? Oh, she loves that. They say it's a 13-day countdown calendar. Ooh, I like this. I love that. So there's a lot. I don't know any of these characters because I don't know.
Go look. Sunny.
Yeah. What are those? Oh god. Regular ones.
These are so cute. That's Dark Shadow. I think it's
Come here.
Now.
There's Jurassic World.
I wanted one of these. There's a tortilla, but there is one that I
Why does this look like Jurassic Park? And they show you it's Jurassic Park. There is. Star Wars.
It's a stormtrooper.
he's wearing a shirt for CP3O, and then CP3O is wearing a t-shirt. That's funny. Okay. She looked at it and she's like, that. Okay, so that means we have that up. That's for the sweets. That's Mario. Luigi. That's no, that's not. Wario. That's Wario, but it looked like a baby to me. It is Con, Yoshi, Bowser Jr. Oh, that's Luigi. To use with Legos, and then there's one right here that's for people who don't like pink and blue can use this one. And there's dinosaur who has a and then there's Paw Patrol, there's Spider-Man, there's Frozen, there's princesses, there's
Even the this one has a clown on it. Yeah, there's Mickey Mouse, there's Mickey Mouse. What? And there's only name on the message.
no, actually, what? Yeah, just like it.
And so, what do you mean?
What is this? It has something in it. It's stuck on there, but it's a baby King Kong.
Mine's stuck.
Yeah, mine is too. It's not even mine. Wait, is it heavy? Is it actually heavy? What's that? And then, they flip it This is not a normal size of a penguin, is it? This really is? This is a normal size of a penguin? It's not. It's as tall as a little bit shorter than this. I've never really seen it. Okay, put it back. We have to do rubber bands now. We have to do it though. Oh, we can just make it. Then there's wow, there's so much stuff. My dad said he's going to give me $1 to buy something. What in the world now? It's $1. Nothing's I didn't talk about that actually.
It's so
Okay, well,
Look at stretching.
this dog looks like Uber. My dog. Stuffy dog.
Oh, look at this exciting. Let's show mascot, suitcase, and everything.
So usually in Toys R Us there are big cars, you know, that you can like sit in and like kind of play in. Because I used to do that when I was younger. And you know what? Dolly never got a chance, but in this store they never have them. So it's kind of sad for Dolly and me because I never got to really experience a lot of them because I was like younger than her. She's 5 and I was like 3. So, and I'm 8 now. So, well, thank you for watching us show you the new toy store. And yeah, spaceship. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.